Here's a Precision 6466 that was leaking oil pretty badly. I'm going to show you what I think is the problem here, and what to check on it. So this oil drain, I measured it. It's only about 12 millimeter inside diameter, so I'm going to cut that out. Usually that's the problem. And he said that the oil pump failed, which is why I thought the turbo was bad. So I'm going to just show you how to check the seals to see if that's the problem. But one way you could also check it too is you can take a feeler gauge and put it in between each side here. Or we can just do one side, and you want to get 2.5 thousandths. If it's more than that, the shaft could be worn out, or the piston ring seal could be worn out, causing the oil to leak out. The piston ring seal off. You can see it has just a little bit of wear, but it's not really that dramatic. Not as dramatic as the oil that was coming out of this. I'm leaning towards the problem is that drain being too small, so I'll cut that out bigger. I go 15 millimeter with that. And then I took a look at this. Everything looks good here from what I could tell, but we'll blast it up and take another look and take measurements. The oil drain being so small, it causes the gasket to blow out between the drain fitting and the bearing housing. So you can see why they added the O-ring in there to try and prevent that. But that is not able to fix the actual problem. The problem is that the oil drain hole and the fitting is not big enough. And because it's not big enough, it's causing the oil to build up in the cartridge because it can't escape the cartridge. And then the cartridge becomes pressurized after so much oil is in the bearing housing that it's forced out the seals because of the excess pressure. And that's what causes the problem with the turbo leaking oil even when the seals are still good. And this is how you fix it.